Hi, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a taco. First, you start off with kind of like a line and a curve going up, all the way to the other side. Big taco shell. Next, you're going to make that line continue. Just go all the way where you started. Next, we're going to put some of the ingredients in. So we got some meat and lettuce. All of that's going to go in. First, you kind of make like a curve. Keep making a bubble. Another one. And stop right there. This time, you're going to come over here and make kind of like a bigger curve going down. That line is going to go up and around and touch the bottom. You're going to continue off from here and go around and touch the bottom. Next, we got a piece of tomato or something's going to stick in right here and stop. This line, we're going to go all the way up and make little jumps like this, kind of stopping here, and that'll be our lettuce. Now we got a couple more ingredients. Put another curve. Kind of looks crazy right now, but once the color comes in, it'll work out. We got some meat. Boom, right there. We're going to make it cute and make some eyes. I'm going to start off with a circle, kind of in the middle of our shell. So here would be the middle. Make another circle matching. Ooh. Mine's not really matching, but that's okay. You can just extend it out. There. Because we're going to shade it in anyways. We're going to make a circle here and a circle here and color it in. Okay, now we have a mouth. Let's make the taco happy. Happy taco. And that's kind of it. The rest we're going to color in, so I'm going to speed it up. Here we go. There, doesn't he look cute? We're all done. I think once you color it in, it makes all the difference. So here's our cute taco. I hope you liked it. Be sure to subscribe for more. I'll see you next time. Bye.